Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and for my tech friends, I just got myself a new daily driver. That's right, 12th gen i7 sporting a 3070 under the hood. For my regular friends, that just means I got myself a gaming computer. So today I'm actually going to show off some of my gaming prowess, just to kind of show you my new rig and show it off a little bit. So I will see you in a moment. Alright, my friends, welcome to the Blankos Block Party. And that's right, this music you hear in the background is completely theirs. It is very hot. Very jazz-themed music, super great songs. Now, this guy's my Blanko. I did hatch him, and you get to hatch your own free Blanko in this game, by the way, which is a lot of fun. Now, what do these little guys do? I'm about to show you what they do in this, again, completely free-to-play game. Just had to sign up with my email. Skip that part for you, just because also, you know, didn't want to show that. But again, you're just going to look up Blankos Block Club, and we will have it starting here in just a moment. There we go. And we have a brawl found. So now it's about to take us through. And you can see all the different daily rewards, by the way, you can earn. Again, this is the kind of game where it is, you know, you can actually win real, you know, crypto, real rewards, things that are actually valuable, right? Now this one that I hatched is just your basic everyday run-of-the-mill Blanko, but there are different types of Blankos, there are different augmentations you can add to them, and so we will check that out here momentarily. Stage 1 vibes, collect the most, and we can see that you're collecting vibes. Be sure to keep the party pass. Keep an eye on lava and other hazards. Now, this opening cutscene is hot. Woo! Look who made a smart idea, actually. Let's go ahead and play it in the headphones. Alright. We can see here, I'm going to turn it down just a bit. There we go. Now we can see, so I can run around, jump, shift and run. And then there's some cool places you can actually get to here on the opening that I was playing around with the other day. You can get to some pretty like high up places. Ah! I rocked too hard. Alright, time to prove that I'm a real gamer. Alright, I gotta get the vibes. Now check this out. You can actually hit people too. Come on. Oh, I didn't come on. Give me another dude. Give me a retake. Where's my back? Give me a bat. Watch this. Let me get some of these chump wads while they get in. Yeah, you chump. No, come back here, chump. Chump wad, come back! Alright, hold on. Come here. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that, and I just jumped over all those vibes. Wow, I was just the flash for a moment. I did not realize that was a button. Where is it? That's what I'm looking for. I thought I was hitting E. I was hitting R instead of E. That's how hardcore of a gamer I am, boys and gals. Boys and goys. And everything in between. Alright, come on. Now, the cool thing is that you, like, you kind of actually have to recharge after your hit. So, like, at times, you can't just hit back to back. Makes the gameplay a little bit harder. Come on, baby. I'm just trying to find someone. I just want to battle. Beautiful drop. Come here. One of the games was a like a A DETH match. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. Woo! Let's try to do that flash thing again. You ready? Wait. Oh! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, I just almost Mario'd back up the wall. Who knew? Who knew? I actually did. I played this yesterday. Noob team? I will not be called a noob. I will be called anything but a noob, sir. Let's try flashing again. Ready? Oh, I can charge it up? Whoa! Come at me, haters. Please and thank you. Come here. I wonder if it's gonna do, because they do like different game types as well. What? How was I eliminated? Spray and pray. Who named these teams? Alright, I get it. Wait, what was my rewards? I didn't get any rewards? Come on, man. Alright, let's get to the next one.